This is a demonstration of using Coverity to analyze a Debian package's source code for bugs. In this demo, we'll be analyzing the gzip package from Debian 6.0.6. First, let's find the gzip source. Our first step is to configure Coverity to use GCC. We can do this with the cov configure command. Since I've already used Coverity, it found an existing configuration, and it'll just reuse that. Next, we'd like to build the package so that Coverity can locate all the source files it needs to analyze, but first we need to generate a makefile. We can do this by running the configure script provided. Now that we have a makefile, we'd like to build gzip, but we need to use the cov build wrapper command so that it can find the appropriate C files to analyze later. We can do this with the cov build command. We'll specify a directory to put the intermediate files and run make. Typically, this process can take a while if you're building a larger package. Now Coverity's finished, gzip is built, and Coverity knows where to find all the C files to analyze. Now let's analyze the files that Coverity has scraped from the build process. This process can also take a lot longer depending on the size of the package you're trying to analyze. For gzip, it finishes relatively quickly. Now we have a report of the different types of bugs found and their counts, as well as the time taken for Coverity to analyze the file or the package. Now in our folder, we have various XML files that describe the errors that Coverity's found. But we'd like to generate some nice HTML reports that we can look at. For this, we'll use the cov format errors command. Coverity's already processed all the C errors and generated nice HTML reports for us. They're located here. Notice the index and summary.html files. I'm logged into a remote server at the moment, so I can't immediately see what the bug reports look like. But I have a copy of the error reports on my local machine, so we can go there and take a look at what the reports look like. Let's take a look at the summary. This is just a simple summary of the types of bugs that Coverity's found, along with how many of each. If we'd like to look at the bugs in detail, we can look at the index file. Here we have the type of the bug, the file that it was found in, the function, and if we click on the file, we're sent to an annotated version of the source code that describes all the steps that Coverity took to reach the conclusion of the bug, with some nice links back and forth. That concludes our Coverity demo. Thank you for watching.